Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word pansa in depth. First, the definition. Pansa means a plant structure related to seed dispersal methods. Think of it simply as a natural mechanism that helps seeds spread out. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Pansa traces back to Latin, meaning spread out or spread open. Over time, it's been used by botanists studying seed dispersal mechanisms. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use pansa in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The botanist explained how the pansa aids seed dispersal in certain tropical plants. Correct example 2. Gardeners noticed the pansa helped the seeds travel further across the soil. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to pansa my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using pansa correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Pansa means a plant structure for seed dispersal. It comes from Latin meaning spread out, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with pansa down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.